He's laughing at your story.
2 M's. $1,850
The Lost Island of Atlantis.
Yep, that's it. $1,850, and you have a wild card. Hang on to that. You had that toss up earlier, so you have $2,800.
Whatever the wild card is.
You keep it right. We'll be back to play some more. We'll just give it
He likes to put stuff on the tree. Thank you.
This year, more than 250 single women and families will receive some form of health and social services from Connect Incorporated. The Greensboro-based agency provides emergency shelter, homeless prevention, and educational support to homeless men, women, and families. If you would like to learn more about ways you can volunteer, go to SPHS.org or call 724-489-9100.
Cheers in my way.
WPXI TV and Citizens Bank congratulate Connect Incorporated, our champion in action.
Turn it on. Turn it on. Where's the lights? Turn on the lights. Yay! Hey, good job. Yay!
Spacious lofts in many of the homes.
Uh-oh, turn them on. Where'd the lights go?
With no upfront
Turn them on.
fees. Whitetail Ridge at St. Barnabas.
Uh-oh.
Value options. Call today for a free tour.
There you go. Yay!
He was here! He was here!
He was here! He was here! He was here! Bring joy to your toys with Xfinity from Comcast. Switch today for $99 a month for 12
Turn on the tree lights.
For 2 years. There's no term.
Turn them on.
It's all backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee.
Uh-oh, turn them on. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Turn them on. Yay! Yay! Uh-oh.
Starting at just $4.99. Make it an IHOP day. Get $5 off.
There you go. Big boy.
Social Security, disability, and SSI applicants. If your supplemental or disability claim has been denied in the past 60 days, call 1-800-LAW-FIRM now.
Tonight's mystery round wants you to escape with cash. $10,000.
Before and after is category. And who's going to start? Matt, I think it's your turn to do that.